Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the best ways to fix YouTube not working on Chrome in Windows 10. Whether the site isn't loading, videos aren't playing, or you just keep seeing error messages, by the end of this video you'll know every reliable method to get it running again. So let's dive straight in, and I'll guide you step by step. Let's start with the simplest fix first: refreshing the page and restarting your browser. Sometimes YouTube just needs a little nudge to reload correctly. Hit Ctrl+R on your keyboard to refresh the page. 9 times out of 10, this will sort out minor glitches. If nothing changes, close Chrome completely, not just the tab, but the entire browser. Give it a restart and try opening YouTube again. It may feel basic, but this is often all it takes to resolve temporary hiccups caused by overloaded browser memory. If that didn't solve it, you'll want to clear out your cache and cookies. These are little files Chrome saves to keep sites loading quickly, but sometimes they get corrupted or outdated, and that can block YouTube from working properly. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete to bring up your browser's cleaning menu. In the window that pops up, select All Time for the time range. You really want to give Chrome a clean slate. Make sure both cookies and cached images and files are checked off, then hit Clear Data. After you do that, close Chrome and reopen YouTube. This step can take a few seconds, so hang tight and don't worry if Chrome pauses for a bit. Still stuck? Let's check your extensions. Extensions are awesome for customizing Chrome, but sometimes they clash with YouTube, especially things like ad blockers. Type Chrome/extensions in your address bar. That'll take you directly to your list. Toggle off all the extensions you see, then try refreshing YouTube again. If it starts working, go back and re-enable your extensions one at a time, testing YouTube each go. This will help you pinpoint if a particular extension is causing problems. Sometimes it turns out to be an ad blocker or a privacy plugin, so keep an eye out. Next, make sure your browser itself is up to date. Chrome updates can patch up bugs that mess with websites like YouTube. Just type Chrome/settings help in the address bar, and Chrome will automatically check for updates. If it finds one, click Relaunch. It only takes a moment, and it's worth it for smoother browsing. If issues persist, you might want to reset Chrome's settings. It's like giving your browser a fresh start, especially useful if some configuration got messed up. Type Chrome/settings reset, then hit Restore settings to their original defaults, followed by Reset settings. Don't worry, you won't lose your bookmarks or saved passwords, just your custom settings. Of course, we can't forget your internet connection. Check that you're actually online and connected stably. Try opening a different website. If other sites are slow or not opening, the issue might be with your Wi-Fi, not Chrome. Another trick: turn off hardware acceleration in Chrome. Hardware acceleration helps Chrome use your graphics card for better performance, but it occasionally conflicts with video sites. Go to Chrome/settings or system and switch off Use hardware acceleration when available. Restart Chrome and give YouTube another shot. And lastly, try opening YouTube in incognito mode. Just press Ctrl+Shift+N. If YouTube loads just fine in incognito, it means your extensions or cached data are probably causing the trouble. So revisit those earlier steps. There you have it. Most of the time, clearing your cache, disabling extensions, or updating Chrome will get YouTube back in action instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. Leave a comment if you have any questions or need more help, and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting back to your favorite videos.